Good morning students. Chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. Previous class we discussed about the addition of fraction, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions, division of fractions and decimal point. Today we discuss about the multiplication of decimal numbers. Means 0.2 multiply 0.3. There is one digit right to be the decimal point. Remove the point. 10 multiply 10 equal denominator multiply to denominator and numerator multiply to numerator. 2 multiply by 3 upon 10 multiply by 10 equal 2 3s are 6 upon 100. Put the decimal before two digit. 6 0.0. So answer is 0.06. One more example is like 0.3 multiply 0.4. Remove the point. 0.3 denominator is 10 multiply 0.4. Remove the point because there is one digit right to be the decimal point equal 3 multiply by 4 upon 10 multiply by 10 equal 3 4s are 12 upon 100. Put the point before two digit. 0.12. Next question is exercise 2.6. Find the multiply 0.2 multiply 6. First of all, 2, there is one digit right to be the decimal point. So we can write 0.2, remove the point upon 10 multiply 6. So easily we multiply 2 multiply by 6 upon 10. Denominator is 1. Then 10 multiply by 1. 2 6 are 12 upon 10. Put the point before one digit. 1.2 is answer. Next question is question number 3rd. 2.71 multiply 5. 2.71 multiply by 5. 2.71, there is two digit right to be the decimal point. So denominator is 100. Then multiply equal 271 multiply by 271 multiply by 5 and 100 multiply by 1 because denominator is 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 3 13 upon 100. Put the point before two digit. 13 upon 50, 13.55. Answer is 13.55. Next, question number 6 is 211.0.2. There is two digit right to be the decimal point. So we can write, remove the point upon 100 multiply by 4. Numerator multiply by numerator. 02 multiply by 4 upon 100 multiply by 1. 4 2s are 8, 0, 4 1s are 4 and 8. Put the point before two digit. 844.08. Next question is find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Area of a rectangle L multiply by B, length multiply by breadth. So length equal 5.7 centimeter and breadth equal 3 centimeter. Put the value of area of a rectangle L equals to 5.7 centimeter multiply B equal to 3 centimeter. There is one digit to write to be decimal point, so we can write denominator is 10 multiply by 3 upon 1. 57 multiply by 3. 57 multiply by 3 upon 10 multiply by 1. Put the decimal before one digit. So answer is 17.1 centimeter. Question number 3 is find the 1.3 multiply by 10. We can write 1.3, remove the point upon 10 multiply by 10. Answer is 13. Next question is 36.8 multiply by 10. 36.8. There is one digit right to be the decimal point. So we can write 368 upon 10. So answer is 368. Next question number 7 is 3.62 multiply by 100. Remove the point upon 100 multiply by 100. So answer is 362. Next question is a two-wheeler covers a distance for 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? 1 लीटर पेट्रोल में वो 55.3 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर करता है, तो 10 लीटर पेट्रोल में वो कितनी कवर करेगा डिस्टेंस? सो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड in 1 liter of petrol equal 55.3 kilometer. So liter of petrol 55.3 multiply by 10. Remove the point. Answer is 555 kilometer. Question number 4 is find the value of 2.5 multiply by 0.3. 2.5 multiply by 0.3. There is 2 digit right to be the decimal point. So easily we can multiply 25 multiply by 3. 75. Here point will be put after 2 digit 0.75. Answer is 0.75. Next question is question number 2. 0.2 multiply 316.8. First of all, easily we multiply 2 multiply by 0.8. 6336. Here there is 2 digit right to be the decimal point. So put the decimal before 2 digit. 63.36. Next question is question number 7. 1.07 multiply 0.02. 02. Easily we multiply. There is 2 digit right to be the decimal point, so point before 4 digit. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So answer is 0.0214.